Morning class. Today our notes is going to be on scientific notation. You should have learned this in 8th grade towards the beginning of the year, but it's a really good thing to review. So first off, what is scientific notation? Well, scientific notation is just a way of writing large and small numbers quickly. So, for example, you could write 53 trillion, 4.8 million, 0.00000028 or 268 can be written in scientific notation, and it's just a way to write it very, very quickly. So here are the rules. First, your decimal number has to be in between 1 and 10. So it's going to be greater than 1, but it's going to be less than 10. And the second rule you've got to remember is large numbers, or if they're greater than 1, they're going to have a positive exponent. Which means the small numbers, so this is going to refer to numbers less than 1, will have a negative exponent. So, example 1, the minimum distance from Earth to Mars is approximately 284,000 miles, right? This number is scientific notation. So, we have to have a number in between 1 and 10. So, we're going to move our decimal to right here. 2.84 is between 1 and 10. Now, we're going to move it back however many places we had to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, this is 2.84 times 10 to the 5th. This was a large number. It had a positive exponent. The Indonesian earthquake slowed the rotation of the Earth, making the length of the day this many seconds shorter. Write this number. Scientific notation. Well, we need to have a decimal in between 1 and 10, so 2.68 is in between there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2.68. We had to move this 6 spaces, so it's times 10. This is a number that is smaller than 1, so to the negative 6. Now, it says convert the following from standard form to scientific notation. Let's go ahead and do a couple of these. I'll do the first two, 1 and 4. You guys do the rest, all right? So, decimal number between 1 and 10, 7.5. Count back how many places we had to move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 7.5 times 10 to the 7th. If you have a number smaller than 1, decimal still goes in between 1 and 10, so 8.52 is my number, and I had to move this back 1, 2, 3 spaces, so times 10 to the negative 3. Go ahead and answer the rest of these. Push pause on the video, push play when you're ready to see the answer, okay? Push pause now. Alright, this one, 2.08, is between 1 and 10. We had to move 2 spaces, so 10 to the 2. 9.07 is between 1 and 10. I had to move back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. Over here, 4.0 is between 1 and 10. I had to move 1 2 spaces over. So 4 times 10 to the negative 2. Remember, smaller than 1, it's going to have a negative exponent. 6.1 is between 1 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces. And since it's smaller than 1, it's negative 6. I'm going to stop the video here. We'll continue on the next video.